Hello everyone, it's 18th June. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have Modi meets Trump, raises safety of Indian seafarers. Then we have Iran-US framework deal outlines nuclear pledge, financial relief. Then we have Odisha CM orders action over errors in textbooks. Then we have Supreme Court seeks Delhi police to reply on bail pleas of 2 Indian Mujahideen operators. Then we have LG orders citywide audit of schools for POCSO compliance. Then we have UCC bill to be tabled in monsoon session of MP Assembly in July, says CM. Going forward, we have the RBI and its growing fiscal role. What does the India-Russia logistics agreement allow? Again, relevant for international relations perspective. Then we have after protest injured cookies shifted from Imphal hospital. Then we have Bangladesh Prime Minister advisor was stopped at airport as name was on the blacklist. Again relevant. Again going forward, we have parasites. SC denies bail to man accused for cyber fraud, calls for sterner legislature. Then we have Delhi High Court issues notice to government on Telegram's plea over suspensions. Then we have Telegram was warned about misuse before blanket ban, says NTA chief. Going forward, we have tomato, onion, potato prices rise. Farmers get low returns. Then we have Nicobarese Tribal Council oppose a draft election rules. Then we have Supreme Court bench says it will look into a allegation of registry misplacing case records. Then we have Bangladesh returns Assam man abducted from no man's land. Then we have rural workers activists call for repeal of new job act to stage protests from July 1st. Then we have peace deal, cautious Indian ship owners seek government help. Then we have India UK announce July 15 as trade deal implementation date, again relevant for international relations perspective. Then we have India to meet 3% compressed biogas blending goal for financial year 27. Lastly, we have the world page where we have US-Iran deal could remove restrictions on tankers, unlock banking, insurance access. Then we have Iran accord to end the war to be signed shortly, says Trump. Then we have US drops Indo from name of its military Pacific command. Then we have Elon Musk's AI tool Grok was used in strikes against the Iran, says US, again relevant for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.